Hey, this is Eric Hunter, and I wanted to answer a question that I get, and it's why can't I just use a cheap pendulum? So let's explore that a little bit. So if you are just starting off, you're a total beginner, sure, get an inexpensive pendulum, however you can find it. Just make sure it has a string and doesn't have a chain on it. Try to get one that's made of metal like brass. Avoid a copper one. Yeah, and you should be fine. When you're first starting off, it's okay because you want to know that you want to see some results right away and you don't want to invest a lot of money in finding out if this works for you or not. So I would say, sure, if you're just trying it out for the first time, you don't need to make a big investment. But if you're doing this at all on a regular basis, then I highly recommend you get a better pendulum because there is a difference in quality. And just wanted to make an analogy. And someone made this in the group a while ago, and I thought it was kind of an interesting one. So let's say you're doing a project like, you're gonna do a wood project where you have to hammer nails and you're doing some home repair or something like that, or you're building something. All right, now you could go to the dollar store and get a hammer, like a little hammer, or you could go to a hardware store and get like a real hammer. Now, if you're just doing this as a one-time project, like you just got to hang one picture on the wall, you're not doing an entire construction job, sure, go to the dollar store and get the really cheap like hammer that doesn't cost very much. You're just going to use it once and probably never use it again. But if you're regularly building things and doing construction, you better have a good hammer. You don't want to be using that cheap dollar store hammer if you're doing this, all the time. So it's the same thing with pendulums. If you're just a dabbler or you haven't really ever tried it before, sure, just get an inexpensive one, give it a try and see. I hope that you're pleasantly surprised by how well it works. But if you're doing this on a regular basis, or if it's something you want to get into or practice, definitely invest in a better pendulum. It really makes a difference to have a high quality pendulum. They have better energy, they move better, you get better results, you get faster results. It makes a world of difference. And, yeah, you can, with the cheap one, you can do a lot of things. You might even have incredible successes. But, at the end of the day, it's like, if you're serious about this, you want to have good tools. So that's why I always recommend you invest in at least one, high energy pendulum. If you can get more than one, that's great. Now, I'm not saying that just to sell these to you, because there are other pendulum dealers out there who say you need a different pendulum for everything. And I don't say that. But what I say is that you need to have high quality pendulums and if possible, get a variety of them because each one has different energy and the energy can affect systems in different ways and you get different responses. So if you're doing this a lot, like if you're a professional healer or you're really serious about this kind of work, you definitely want to have a collection of these high vibration pendulums because they really do make a difference and each one has unique properties. And I'm telling you that with all sincerity, not just trying to make a sale here. As someone who's done this a lot and works with a lot of people to do it, it really does make a difference. So anyway, I hope this video is useful. Thanks a lot for watching it. And I appreciate you watching this. If you liked it, please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And check out my website, pendulumalchemy.com. I have lots of resources on there. I have courses. Some of them are free. I've got other resources available to help you learn how to do pendulum alchemy and pendulum healing in ways that are for your highest good and the highest good of all concerned. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.